mia suocera italiana.
Hi everyone, Gabby. Hi everyone, this is Pet Crochets. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my beautiful Italian mother-in-law.
Ciao a tutti, hi everybody.
We're going to be making her a custom beach cover-up dress. So I'm going to be taking some details of how we want the design of the beach cover-up dress to look. And then afterwards, we're going to be deciding what kind of yarn would be best and taking some of her measurements. This is going to be the first time I'm ever making a measurement-based dress that's not on myself, so we'll see how it goes.
Wow! It's a pleasure for me. I am your first model.
She's my first model, so I'm very excited to do this project.
Me too.
So I have a few questions for you, Antonella.
Yes, of course.
We're going to be starting with the bust, the front of the dress.
Okay.
How do you want the front of the dress, or how do you imagine your perfect beach dress to look like?
Okay, sorry for my English. I would like to have a short dress for the beach with a V-neck halter style.
Halter style, so tie in the back.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, and how low would you like the V-neck to start? Do you want a high or like from the middle?
No, not high, from the middle.
The middle?
Yes.
Okay, and then I have my previous lacy beach cover-up dress.
Oh, so nice.
I was thinking maybe the halter can have this is called peacoat detail, these little dots.
Yes, I think that would be very, very nice. Yes, it's a very nice decoration.
And I had her already look at a couple of swatches of lacy stitch patterns. We decided on this one as the previous dress because it is a little bit more closed.
Yes.
Compared to the other.
Yes. I don't like too much transparency.
Too open. So I like this one because it's a little bit more closed. And do you like the yarn to be thick like this or more thin?
No, I like it thick.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is a weight 3 yarn. So we're going to be looking for weight 3 yarn. And we already spoke about different fibers to use. She would like 100% cotton yarn.
Yes, but thick cotton.
But thick cotton.
Yes.
So we're looking for a weight 2, weight 3, 100% cotton yarn. And what color would you like your dress to be?
Guess which color?
Black?
Yes, of course.
That's your favorite clothing color. Okay. And would you like the dress to be long, medium, or do you like the kind of like this, like a short dress?
No, like this, a short dress,
Perfect.
Definitely, on the beach.
Okay, and then for the hem of the dress, I did like a scallop detail. Would you like something like this as well for the bottom of the dress?
Yes. Thank you. I like this pattern.
And how would you like the back of the dress to be? Do you want it to be closed, more open?
Oh, I would like you to decide for me. What do you think it's nice?
So for you, I imagine more of an open back, maybe a scoop low back.
Okay, I trust
like
you.
This. Maybe we'll start from around here, make it open, and then end around.
Okay, you are my stylist. I am the model. Just for today.
And would you like any like details like this?
No.
Okay.
I would like really simple.
Any bead details?
Yes,
for the
this
tie?
is nice. Okay. Of course. Thank you.
Okay. And any other details you would like me to add for the dress? Or
No. If you have something to
up.
suggest or you have an idea, you do it.
Okay, all right, I think we're ready to take some measurements. So I'll take a couple of measurements, and then from there we'll look at the different types of yarn. We might go yarn shopping in the next few days, and we'll decide what fiber would be best. I feel that seeing it in person and being able to touch it might be the best. Would you like something that's more soft like this, like stretchy, or more?
I like it stretchy. But thick, but if the yarn is thick, I don't know if it is soft.
Yeah, we'll have to see what's available. So Okay, let's start with the measurements.
Oh, wow. I'm ready.
Here I'm going to be taking some of Antonella's measurements. I took as many as possible just so that I had everything that I needed, since she won't be here unfortunately to do any fittings. Luckily, we are similar in size, so I will be able to try it on as I go along and kind of gauge whether or not the dress will be a good fit. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more crochet content and tutorials. As we were also taking measurements, I was finalizing any last details with her, and I didn't get it on video, but I showed her a couple of different swatches of yarn and different projects that I've created made with 100% cotton yarn to see which one she liked best. We ended up going with the Premier cotton yarn. That's a weight 3 yarn. It's also the same yarn I used for the Clio lace top. So I went ahead and purchased a couple of skeins of that yarn in the color black, as well as some dark wooden beads I thought would be nice with the dress. Once again, this is my first time crocheting a dress for someone else. As you may have noticed with my channel, I only really crochet clothing for myself and try my best to make it measurement based so that you guys can replicate the project using your own measurements. So I am quite nervous yet excited to kind of delve into this side of crochet clothing making and seeing how it goes. If you were curious, here are the measurements I took. I took her bust measurement, her waist measurement, high hip, and then mid-thigh measurement. And then I also took measurements for how deep she wanted the V halter portion to be, how much coverage she wanted for the cups or the halter bust area. And we also determined how low to start the V opening for the halter, how low we wanted the back to be and how open, and we also took general measurements for the length of the dress. I also took measurements for the length from the bottom of that V section in the bust to where we want the dress to end, as well as the overall length. And then just to be absolutely sure that I had everything, I also took her neck measurement just to make sure that I make the ties long enough. If you guys have any additional comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below as well. Alright, so we're all done here. I took down all of the details, we took her measurements, we decided on a yarn that we would like to use. So next step would be to actually make the dress. Unfortunately, she's going back to Rome, so she won't be here to do any fittings. So I took as many measurements as possible, and I will be sending her update photos as we go along. Luckily, she is almost the same size as me, so I can kind of try it on as we go along and see how it goes, so that really helps out. Thank you so much,
No, thank you, Petra. I'm really excited.
I am as well. I might be doing a tutorial on this dress. If not, I'll be doing update videos and kind of keeping you guys updated on how everything goes, and we'll see how it turns out.
Thank you, un bacio.
Alright, thank you everyone. And
Ciao a tutti.
See you in the next video.
Ciao.
You want to take the bread out of the oven? The baker and the manager.
Multitasking.
Multitasking.